Hi, this is John with Watch Straps Anonymous. Today I'm going to show you how to put on a NATO strap. I recorded another video where I showed you how to remove or install a NATO strap. So in this video, we'll simply be showing you how to put it on. Frame the watch over your wrist and take the long end of the strap and pass it through the buckle on the opposite side. Once you have it through, pull tight and place the pin of the buckle through the strap. Now with the remainder of the strap, feed it through the other two fasteners you have here and pull tight. And with the remainder of the strap, simply tuck it back and pass it through underneath, back the same way it came, and just push down. And that is it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and be sure to check out our store at wsashop.com.